Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sonam Prajapati. Friends, today we are talking about fade in and fade out. So let's start the video. So friends, I'm importing my footage. So I import and take from the middle one. So I'm taking here from there and import to my frame and press keep exciting setting. So friends, you can see the whole image. There is no effect fade out and fade in. So I apply fade out effect. So go to effect, and for audio transition you click on the audio transition, and here crossfade, click on the crossfade and zoom out your timeline, and after that exponential rate and drag it to your audio. And so you can make the size of bigger from pressing double click here, and you can increase the duration like 3 seconds, so it will be fade out in the 3 second, and you can do same in the beginning. And you can also increase the size from here. And for the video, click on the video transition, go to dissolve, and there you can see dip to white, so it will be like this, and dip to black, so it will be like this. There's a white and there's a black. So after this there is another way, so I just undo. So I will let you know about the second way. So click on the timeline and add keyframe here and here, and once again here, add, and here, and then push down bottom. So there you can see. So that's it friends, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching.